In this video, I'll guide you through how to pause your HoneyBook booking calendar. Whether you're taking a break, managing a busy schedule, or just need a little downtime, knowing how to temporarily pause your availability is a handy trick. Let's dive right in. First, you need to identify which session type you want to pause. This is crucial because it allows you to manage specific parts of your calendar without affecting the rest. Perhaps you have different types of sessions like consultations, follow-ups, or meetings, and you only want to pause one of them. Make sure you have a clear idea of which session type you're focusing on. Once you've pinpointed the session type, the next step is to hover over that session in your HoneyBook dashboard. You'll notice a set of three vertical dots, often referred to as an ellipsis, right beside it. This is a common symbol used in many applications to indicate additional options. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you're going to select the deactivate option. It's really as simple as that. By deactivating, you ensure that your scheduling link for this particular session type is temporarily disabled. This means clients won't be able to book this session type until you decide to reactivate it. It's important to note that while the link is inactive, all your settings for this session type are saved. This is a great feature because you won't have to worry about re-entering any information or tweaking settings when you're ready to get back to business. Everything remains exactly as you left it, ready to be turned back on with just a few clicks. To sum up, pausing your HoneyBook booking calendar is a straightforward process. You simply find the session type you want to pause, click the three dots to access additional options, and select deactivate. This keeps your settings intact so you can easily pick up where you left off when it suits you. This simple guide will show you how to pause your HoneyBook booking calendar with ease, allowing you to manage your time effectively without losing any of your important settings. Remember, taking control of your schedule is key to maintaining a balanced workflow. So whether you're stepping away for a well-deserved break or just reorganizing your calendar, HoneyBook makes it easy to stay in control. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you manage your HoneyBook calendar with confidence. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Have a great day and happy scheduling.